Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to share some extremely useful resources for Cambridge IGCSE, Pearson Edexcel, AQA and other educational bodies. Whether you are a student looking for study help, a parent wanting to support your child, or a teacher searching for new relevant material, this list has something for you. All the links we talk about today are waiting for you in the video description below, so you can easily explore them later. First up is Tutopia's Resource Center, which offers downloadable past papers and summary notes with AI support. Next is the IGCSE channel, which is fantastic for science students as it focuses on biology, chemistry and physics, walking you through past papers and what examiners look for in top grade answers. Then there is Crash Course, a huge channel created by two brothers that covers an incredibly wide range of subjects with engaging concept-based videos perfect for building a strong understanding. Finally, the Sir Michael's channel, where a professor clearly explains fundamental concepts in subjects like math and physics, complete with example problems. IGCSE Pro is a great stop for focused, comprehensive notes, specifically for IGCSE Biology and ICT. STEM Science is wonderful for younger secondary students in year 7 to 9, breaking down science topics with clear notes and helpful simulations. Science with Hazel features Hazel explaining science topics and very useful walking through answers to practice exam papers. Notes for IGCSE is another solid option for detailed yet easy to read notes in biology and chemistry. For notes covering a broader set of subjects, Teachify Me offers materials for most IGCSE subjects with some free content and more available through a subscription. Oxnotes provides study guides for GCSE and IGCSE subjects like English and History, often linking to recommended videos to complement their notes. And you absolutely cannot overlook the official Cambridge International website. It is a definitive source for the most important revision tool of all, official past papers and their mark schemes. Also recommend for physics students, check out Physics Partner. This channel is fantastic for breaking down complex physics concepts into clear, manageable steps. For business studies, take a look at Business Partner. This new channel really connects textbook theory to real-world business examples and case studies. I tried these websites and found them useful. Please give them a try and share your experience in the comments section.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.